Okay, everybody, here's an update on my house. I'm here in Texas, and I just watched a video I just put up about my backyard and everything. What I'm going to be doing to this house, I have to put a new foundation all the way around, and I'm going to extend the size of it about 4 foot in the front and in the back, like you heard me say, 16, 20 foot. And then the garage, which you can't see in this picture here. This is the front of the house, by the way. But the first thing that I'm going to be doing actually is I'm going to put the outer walls up around the whole thing so they can see, the powers that be can see that I'm actually doing something to this house, because it's been such a long time that nothing has actually really been done to it, and it's got a lot of damage on the outside. So I figure it doesn't matter how the inside is, just so they see the outside, something being done. So I'm going to be doing that. I have a lot of other small videos that I will be throwing up there also for you to look at. But this is just the update. It is December the 7th, 2019. And as it comes, I'll be returning there in April, the 1st of April next year. So anyway, that's all for now. I just wanted you to know that I decided, instead of doing a bit here and a bit there, I'm going to go ahead and do the outer perimeter of the walls, so they think that, yeah, she is at least doing something. But I really need my bathroom and my kitchen, and I think you understand that, and the utility room in the back. So I'm going to just do the outer walls. And as I do that, I'll go through all that and the steps and everything. And I'll talk to you later then. Bye-bye.